Hi, I'm Esteban. I'm in beautiful Costa Rica, and this behind me is the latest investment property that I built. This house is located 30 minutes from Playa Tamarindo, which is the most popular beach here in Costa Rica. So the location is amazing, and it has really amazing mountain views, and the sunset right now is beautiful. So at the end, I'm going to show you that. So this video, I'm going to tell you a little bit how I ended up building this property. And if you're somebody that is thinking about coming to Costa Rica and building a house or just investing in Costa Rica, this video will help you kind of answer a lot of the questions that you may have. So I used to live in the US. I lived in the US for 15 years, and I was also a real estate agent in California. I lived in San Diego and Los Angeles. That's kind of where I started my real estate experience. Then when I moved back to Costa Rica 13 years ago, I bought some land in San Carlos, the north of Costa Rica. I started really investing in buying land and building properties to rent out primarily, right? So I've been focusing on kind of getting the process down because, even though I'm from Costa Rica, when I came back, I had no idea how to invest and how to build my first property. So now that I have properties, this is my latest one. I feel really confident that the process that I did for this property is the best way to really invest in Costa Rica. And why? Because when anybody comes to Costa Rica, if you're from the US or from Europe or from a different country, maybe the language, or there's a lot of things that come into play when you want to invest in a new country. I understand. Even I went through that, even though I'm from Costa Rica. So what I did is I first looked for a great lot. I decided my location. Location is very important. Once I found the lot that I wanted, obviously I negotiated with the owner to get a good deal, and I got a really good deal. The lot had water, had electricity, everything that you need to build. Once I did that, then I got with my lawyer and got all the permits for constructions. That's very important to get all that in line. Then I sat down with my architect and got the design of this property. So he really needed to understand what I wanted to do and kind of what my vision was, which he did. So we came up with this really cool design, which is a 4 bedroom, 4 bath house. And the design is actually so cool that people come check it out. They're like, hey, we want to build something like this. So I tell them, yeah, you want to build something like this? I'll help you out. Why not? Right? There's a really cool design. And I can fit up to 16 persons in this property. And because I did it for rental purposes, that's awesome. So you can get a lot of cash flow in terms of rents. Right now in low season, I can rent it up to $200 a night. And in high season, I can rent it for 600 or even $1,000 a night, which you can imagine. So the returns in this property are really good, above 10%. And really, I've been doing really well. The best part was when I finished building it, 2 weeks after that, I started renting it out. So I was already cash flowing. So after I got the design, then I got down with my contractor, the builder, right? And he really needed to understand what I wanted to do, which is a great builder. So we started the building process. I had to sit down with the warehouses, made the contacts with the different material, providers here in Costa Rica, which are several, get the transportation down, also set up all the third party, machinery, all those other services that you need in the construction part. Once I got all that done, we started the building process. And the cool part was that I finished ahead of schedule, which really never happens. So at the end, it was a total success. And if this is something that you're thinking about doing in Costa Rica, and feel like, hey, I want to come to Costa Rica, I want to invest, but I don't know where to start, I have a lot of questions. Right now, I'm really working with a lot of investors like you, or like how I was when I started, to kind of go through this process. So if this is something that interests you and you want to kind of know more about, click on this video and I'll definitely send you more information of how my process or my method can help you here in Costa Rica, because Costa Rica is a beautiful country. Everybody loves the beaches, but there's a lot of investment potential. But you got to do it the right way. And you really, got to go through the process, kind of like I mentioned. And if it's something that you want me to help you out or tell you more about, I'll be glad to do it. All right. So, like I said, here comes a great view, and enjoy it. Pura vida.